Graph Theory, Example 8. Determine if each graph has an Euler path, an Euler circuit, or neither. I'm going to pause the video and find the degree of each vertex of every graph here in this example, and that will help us make our decision. Okay, so that is accomplished. In example A, every single vertex is even, so that means it has an Euler circuit. And remember, if something has an Euler circuit, it also has an Euler path. In example B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 odd vertices, so that means we have neither an Euler circuit or an Euler path. In example C, we have 1, 2 odd vertices, so that means we have an Euler path only. And in example D, we have exactly 2 odd vertices, which means we have an Euler path only. And in example E, all of our vertices are even, so that means it has an Euler circuit. And as we remember, if it has an Euler circuit, that means it has also an Euler path.